हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज देख लेते हैं हम जियोग्राफिकल एरिया का थर्ड जो लास्ट कंसेप्ट है अपना, उसमें भी 50 क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे। ओके, इसके पहले भी हमने दो पेपर्स लिए हैं जिसमें 50-50 क्वेश्चंस थे। वो जिन्होंने नहीं देखे वो देख लीजिए, मतलब उसमें अपने 100 ऑलमोस्ट टॉपिक्स कवर हो जाते हैं। ओके, जिन्होंने अब तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए ताकि ऐसी अपडेट्स आपको मिलते रहे। जो भी नाबार्ड, एनटीपीसी, एएलपी टेक्नीशियन, एनआईसीएल के जो भी जीके के क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, मोस्ट ऑफ द मे बी इसमें से ही आ सकते हैं। ओके, तो तब तक के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए ताकि आपको जो एएलपी है, एनटीपीसी, नाबार्ड और एनआईसीएल के जो एग्जाम है उस पे जो मॉक पेपर है, प्रीवियस पेपर है, एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन प्लस इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, ये सारी चीजें मैं यहाँ पे पोस्ट करने वाला हूँ। ओके, तो उसका नोटिफिकेशन अगर आपको चाहिए, इंस्टेंट पेपर चाहिए ताकि आपकी हेल्प हो सके, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। ओके, तो स्टार्ट करते हैं अपन आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंट्रीज हैज द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर ऑफ नेबरिंग कंट्रीज शेयरिंग बॉर्डर ऑफ 14 कंट्रीज। तो यहाँ पे है चाइना। चाइना शेयर बॉर्डर्स विद द 14 कंट्रीज इंक्लूडिंग रशिया, इंडिया, मंगोलिया एंड मेकिंग वन ऑफ द कंट्री विद द लार्जेस्ट लैंड नेबर इन द वर्ल्ड। ओके, सेकंड है, द अंटार्कटिका सर्कमपोलर करंट इज द ओनली ओशियन करंट that flow uninterrupted around the globe. In which direction does it flow? So eastward. Okay, the Antarctica circumpolar current flow easternward around the Antarctica, driven by the strongest westerly wind and connecting the Atlantic, Pacific and Indian Ocean. Okay, next, third, which tectonic plates is the largest on earth? So Pacific plates. The Pacific plate is the largest tectonic plates, covering approximately 103 million square meter, and also for intense seismic activity due to its locating on the ring of fire. Okay, next, fourth, what type of climate is characteristics of the Mediterranean basin? So Mediterranean. Okay, the Mediterranean climate is characterized by hot, dry summer and mild, wet winter, typical of region near the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, next, fifth, which river delta is known as the largest delta in the world? So Ganga Brahmaputra delta. Okay, the Ganges Brahmaputra delta is also known as a Sundarban, is the world largest delta located in India and Bangladesh. Okay, next, sixth, which two continents are connected by the isthmus of Suez? So Africa and Asia. The Egypt connected Africa and Asia with the Suez Canal, providing the direct maritime route between Mediterranean and the Red Sea. Okay. Next, seventh, which country is known for having the lowest point on the earth's surface on the land? So Jordan. The Dead Sea, bordered by Jordan to the east and Israel, Palestine to the west, has the earth's lowest elevation on land at approximately 430 meters below the sea level. Okay. Next, 8. What is the term for the river that flow into the desert or arid region and does not reach on the ocean or sea? So endorheic. Endorheic rivers flow into the landlocked basin where they evaporate or sea into the ground rather than reaching the sea, such as a volcanic river and in Botswana. Okay. Next, ninth, the term loess refers to which type of geographical features? So fine wine-blown slit deposit. Loess is a type of fine, loosely compacted silt deposited by wind, often found in regions like China loess, petal, and American Midwest. Okay. Next, 10th, in which type of biome would you most likely find permafrost? So tundra. Tundra permafrost layer is the permanently frozen soil in most commonly found in tundra regions such as Arctic. Next, 11. Which of the following is not part of the ring of fire? So Kilimanjaro and Tanzania. Kilimanjaro in Tanzania is not a part of Pacific Ring of Fire, which include volcanoes around the edge of the Pacific Ocean. Okay. Next, 12th. What is an exbow lake? A lake formed by the cut of middle of river. An exbow lake is created when a river meander is cut off, leaving curved body of water separate from the main river channel. Okay. Next, 13. Which of the following is the warm ocean current that affect the climates of western coast South America? The Humboldt current. The Humboldt current is also known as a Peru current. Is a cold, low sanitary current that flow northernwards along with the western coast of South America. Okay. Next, 14. Which European river is known for passing through the most countries? So, Danube. So, Danube river flow 10 countries in Europe, including Germany, Austria, Hungary, Romania, and making its continent the most international river. Okay. Next, 15. Which type of rock is most likely to contain fossil? So, sedimentary. Sedimentary rocks from the accumulation of particles are most likely to contain fossil as they accumulate in the layer where organism might be preserved. Okay. Next, 16. Roaring 40s ये हुआ है अपना. Roaring 40s refers to powerful westerly wind between 40 to 50 degree latitude in the southern hemisphere. Okay, ये पहले भी क्वेश्चन हुआ है. Next, 17. Which mountain is a part of Seven Summit and located on American continent? तो इसका आंसर है Mount Kilimanjaro. Okay, the Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania is African tallest mountain and one of the seven summit, representing the highest peak on each continent. Okay. Next question, 18. Which country is home to the source of both the Amazon and the Nile river? तो आंसर है पेरू. The source of Amazon River is located in Peru, which is one of the headquarters of Nile and Blue Nile, has its source Ethiopia. However, the White Nile originates the Lake of Victoria Basin, which spans multiple countries. Okay. Next, 19. The the Great Rift Valley, a major geographical feature, extends from which two regions? So Eastern Africa and Red Sea. Okay. देखो यहाँ पे बोला है द ग्रेट रिफ्ट वैली स्ट्रेच ऑफ ईस्टर्न अफ्रीका अप टू द रेड सी फॉर्म टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स मूवमेंट क्रिएटिंग न्यूमरस रिफ्ट वैली लेक एंड एक्टिव वोल्केनोस. ओके. नेक्स्ट, 20. which sea has the highest salt concentration? तो डेड सी. डेड सी बॉर्डर इज जॉर्डन एंड इसराइल हैज सॉल्ट concentration around 33%, making one of the saltiest bodies of water globally. Okay. Next question, 21. What is the primary factor driving monsoon winds in the South Africa? The continental heating and cooling. The Southern Asia monsoon is primarily driven by different heating between the Indian Oceans and the Asian continent, creating a seasonal wind that bring heavy rain during the summer. Okay. Next, 22. What natural phenomenon is responsible for the creation of coral atolls? So coral growth around sinking volcanic island. Okay. So coral atoll from the volcanic reef grow around the volcanic island that eventually subsides, leaving the ring shape area coral fountain and central log. Okay. Next question, 23. Which of the following is the most popular abundant gas in the earth atmosphere? तो है nitrogen. Okay. Nitrogen make up approximately 78% on the earth atmosphere, making the most abundant as atmospheric gas, followed by the oxygen at around 21%. Okay. Next, 24. Which US state has the longest coastline? So Alaska. Alaska has the largest coastline in US. Okay, which is 6,600 miles. Okay, which is of the most coastline all over the world, all over the state combined. Okay. Next, 25. The world tallest cliff is found on which island? So Baffin Island. Mount Thor on Baffin Island in Canada has the world tallest vertical drop at 4,000 feet. Okay. Next, 26. Which Asian river is often called China Sorrow due to its history of कैटास्ट्रॉपिक फ्लडिंग? तो येलो रिवर अपन ने पहले भी देख चुके हैं. द येलो रिवर और हैंग हे is known as a devastating floods which is historical cause significant loss of life and destruction in China. Next, 27. The Gulf Stream affect the climate which continent most directly? So Europe. Okay, Europe is a warm Atlantic current that significantly warm climates in Western Europe, especially in the British Island and Norway. Okay. Next, 28. Which is the approximate latitude Arctic Circle? तो 66.5 डिग्री नॉर्थ. ओके. तो यहाँ पे देखो आर्टिक सर्कल इज लोकेटेड अप्रोक्सीमेटली 66.5 नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड, मार्किंग southernmost point in which the sun remain continuously above below the horizon of 24 hours. Okay. Next, 29. What cause of phenomenon known as a midnight sun? तो इसका आंसर है tilt on earth axis. The midnight sun occurs in the polar region during the summer due to the earth axial tilt, allowing the sun remain visible at midnight within the Arctic and Antarctic circle. Okay. Next, 30. Which continent is only one with no native reptiles? So Antarctica. Antarctica extreme cold climate make is uninhabitable for reptiles, so none are the native to the continents. Okay. 31. Which of the following is the primary driver of plate tectonic? So mantle convection. The plates tectonic is a primary driven by convection current in the earth metal which cause the plates to move, interact at their boundaries. Okay. Next, 32. The term desertification refers to. अब desertification मतलब क्या? The transfer of fertile land into the desert due to various factors. देखो, desertification is a process by which fertile land become increasingly arid, desert-like, often due to factors such as climate change, deforestation, and poor land management practice. Next, 33. Which of the following country is a landlocked? So, Bolivia. Bolivia is a landlocked country in South America, meaning it does not have any coastline along an ocean. Next, 34. The majority of the world fresh water is found in so glacier and ice cap. About 68.7% of water, fresh water is stored in glacier and ice cap, with only small percentage found in the river and lakes. Okay. Next, 35. Which of the following is the largest biome on the earth? So marine biome, which include ocean, coral reef, and estuaries, cover approximately 78% on the earth. The earth surface is making largest biome. Okay. Next, 36. The term biogeography refers to the biogeography refers to the distribution of biological organism across geographical area. देखो यहाँ पे explanation में बताया कि biogeographical is a branch of biology that deals with the distribution of living organism and how geographical factor influence their distribution. Okay. Next, 37. The Great Wall of China primarily serve what purpose? To defense against invasion. Okay. The Great China Wall was built primarily for defense purpose to protect Chinese state and empires from the invasion by non-nomadic groups. Okay. Next, 38. The concept of carrying capacity in ecology refers to. इसका आंसर क्या है? The maximum population that an environment can sustain indefinitely. The carrying capacity is defined by maximum number of individual of particular species that environment can support without degrading habits. Okay. Next, 39. The world largest rainforest is the Amazon rainforest. Okay. The Amazon rainforest, South Africa, is the largest rainforest in the world, spanning several countries including Brazil, Peru, and Colombia. Next, 40. Which of the following tectonic plates boundaries is characterized by a plate moving apart? So, divergent boundary. Divergent boundaries occur two tectonic plates move away from each other, offer returning volcanic activity and formation of new crust. Okay. Next question 41. The Suez Canal connect with two bodies of water. ये देखा है अपन ने, Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Okay. Next 42. The biome characterized by param forest is known as tundra. ये भी देख चुके हैं अपन. 43. Which of the following river is considered the longest river in the world? Nile river. ये भी अपन ने देखा है, इसका डिस्टेंस भी अपने को पता है. ओके, ये डिस्टेंस भी दिया है. नेक्स्ट, the concept of urban heat island describe the warming effect that urban area due to human activity. यहाँ पे explanation दिया है. Urban heat island occur urban areas experience higher temperature than rural surrounding due to factor like concrete surface and human activities that trap it. Okay. Next 45. Which mountain range separate यूरोप फ्रॉम एशिया? तो यूरल माउंटेन. ये भी अपन देख चुके हैं क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली. नेक्स्ट है 46. द फेनोमेनन ऑफ एल नीनो इज प्राइमरी एसोसिएट विद द चेंज इन विच ओशियन? तो पैसिफिक ओशियन. द क्लाइमेट pattern that originate the Pacific Ocean characterized by warmer ocean temperature and significant impact on global weather pattern. Okay. Next 47. What is the primary cause of ocean current? तो अर्थ रोटेशन, वाइंड पैटर्न, टेम्परेचर ग्रेडियंट्स. तो इसलिए आंसर है ऑल ऑफ द अबव. नेक्स्ट 48. द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर इज लोकेटेड एट विच डिग्री ऑफ लैटिट्यूड? तो ट्रॉपी ऑफ कैंसर जो है वो 23.5 नॉर्थ. ओके, लैटिट्यूड मार्क्स है ऑलमोस्ट नॉर्थ मोस्ट पॉइंट. सन डायरेक्टली कैन बी ओवरहेड. ओके. नेक्स्ट 49. Which country has the largest land area in the world? ये अभी क्वेश्चन अपन ने देख चुके. एरिया जो 17 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर का है. ओके. नेक्स्ट 50. The ring of fire is known as for its high volcanic activity. क्यों बोलते हैं अपन उसको? क्योंकि वहां पे हाई volcanic एक्टिविटी होती है जिसको अपन रिंग ऑफ फायर बोलते हैं. देखो, द रिंग ऑफ फायर हॉर्स शेप जोन इन पैसिफिक ओशियन characterized by high volcanic and symmetric activity due to tectonic plates of ओके. ये 50 क्वेश्चंस हो गए अपने जियोग्राफी रिलेटेड. अब इसके बाद अपन देखेंगे हिस्ट्री रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस जो कि 3 इसमें डिवाइड होंगे. उसके भी अपन 150 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड प्लस इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस अलग से देखेंगे. मतलब यहाँ पे आपकी पूरी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएंगी ताकि आपका पेपर अच्छा है. तब तक के लिए वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए ताकि मुझे भी थोड़ा मोटिवेट मिल जाए कि आपके लिए वीडियोस बना सकूं. ओके, थैंक यू.